You shower every day, brush your teeth, spray your perfume, but something still feels off, like some girls just have that thing you can't quite put your finger on. No cap, it's not about money, it's not about having a 1-0 step routine, it's about doing the right things the right way. And today I'm walking you through everything from the shower to your bed, every single detail that separates a basic hygiene routine from a truly elevated one. Okay, bestie, real talk, most girls are showering in the wrong order, and that one mistake might be why you're breaking out on your back and shoulders. Here's the rule. Hair always comes first. Shampoo, conditioner, all of it, before you even touch your body. Because when you rinse your hair, all those product residues run straight down your skin. If you already washed your body, yeah, that buildup just sits there. One of the most overlooked causes of body acne. After hair, then body. And before your body wash, there's a step almost nobody does, a cleansing oil. It breaks down sunscreen, pollution, and buildup way deeper than soap alone ever could. Your skin will feel completely different, I promise. Now, water temperature hot water feels amazing, but it's literally destroying your skin barrier. Go warm. And finish with 30 seconds of cold water. It tightens your pores, boosts circulation, and wakes you up better than any caffeine, no cap. And last thing, throw away your loofah. Like today. It builds up bacteria within 48 hours. Swap it for a silicone scrubber or switch to chemical exfoliation outside of the shower instead. If your perfume fades within 2 hours, the problem isn't your perfume, it's your skin. Dry skin literally cannot hold fragrance. The molecules just evaporate into nothing. So the move is to apply an unscented body oil immediately after your shower while your skin is still damp. It creates a base that locks the scent in for so much longer, and it's a game changer. FR. Now, application. Wrists and neck, everyone knows that. But the spots that actually make the difference are your nape, behind your knees, and your hair. With a specific hair perfume though, because regular perfume has alcohol in it and it will dry your hair out and damage it over time. And here's the detail nobody talks about, your clothes. Putting essential oil sachets inside your drawers lets the scent absorb into the fabric before you even put anything on. It's subtle, but that's exactly the kind of thing that creates that aura, you know, when people can still smell you after you've already left the room. The goal isn't to smell like perfume, it's to have a signature scent that's just unmistakably you. You could have the most gorgeous face, but if your hands are neglected, the whole vibe is off and people notice way faster than you think, like they form an opinion in seconds, no cap. First thing, stop cutting your cuticles with a nipper. Every time you cut them, they grow back thicker. It's literally the opposite of what you want. Swap it for a chemical cuticle remover, then follow up with a nourishing cuticle wax. Cleaner look, lasts longer, zero pain. For your feet, the most common mistake is using a rough foot file. It feels like it's working, but it actually makes the skin thicker over time. The real move is glycolic acid before bed. It dissolves dead skin gradually without any aggression. You'll wake up with softer feet without even trying. For your nails, there's one detail almost everyone misses: underneath. The keratin buildup under your nails is one of the most visible signs of neglect, and it takes less than a minute to fix. Just a soft bristle brush with gentle soap. That's it. And the most slept-on habit of all, SPF on your hands. Reapply after every single time you wash them. Those dark spots that show up on hands over time, years of skipping this step. Don't be that girl. Okay, so you brush your teeth, floss, use mouthwash, and your breath still feels off by the afternoon. Bestie, the problem probably isn't your teeth, it's your tongue. That whitish coating that builds up on your tongue overnight, that's called tongue plaque, and it's the #1 cause of bad breath. And it needs to be scraped off first thing in the morning before you drink water, before you do anything else. The best tool for this is a copper tongue scraper. Copper has natural antimicrobial properties, so it's not just removing the buildup, it's actually working against the bacteria causing it. Now about mouthwash, the ones with alcohol are actually making things worse. They kill the good bacteria along with the bad, which throws off your whole oral microbiome and causes bad breath to come back even stronger. Swap it for an alcohol-free version or try oil pulling with coconut oil for 5 to 10 minutes in the morning. It sounds weird, but the results are real. FR. And here's the connection nobody talks about: your gut. A sluggish gut shows up directly on your skin, especially along your jawline, and affects your breath too. Getting fiber and water in within the first hour of waking up makes a visible difference in just a few days. Real hygiene starts from the inside out. You could have the most expensive skincare routine on the planet, but if you're sleeping on dirty pillowcases and rough cotton, you're literally wasting your money. Here's the thing, your skin regenerates while you sleep. It's the most important part of your entire beauty routine, and most girls are completely ignoring the environment where that happens. Start with your pillowcase. Satin or silk is not extra, it's actually science. It reduces friction on your face while you toss and turn at night, which means fewer sleep lines and way less hair breakage. And wash it at least twice a week. Your future skin will thank you, no cap. For your lips, try lip slugging. A thin layer of hyaluronic acid followed by a thick occlusive balm before bed. You'll wake up with lips that look like you just got a treatment because you did, bestie. For your hair, never ever go to sleep with wet hair. Beyond the frizz, a damp scalp against your pillow is literally a breeding ground for fungus. Before bed, brush your hair with a natural bristle brush from root to ends to distribute your natural oils and boost circulation. And last, the air in your room. A humidifier does more for your skin overnight than most creams ever will, especially if you run the AC or live somewhere dry. Your night routine isn't just what you do in the mirror. It's the environment you set up before you close your eyes. Looking put together isn't about spending more money, it's about paying attention to the details from your shower routine all the way to how you set up your bedroom at night. Every single habit I showed you today makes a difference on its own, but all 5 together, that's when people start noticing something different about you and they can't even explain why. If this helped you, save this video. You're gonna wanna come back to it while you're building your routine. And drop it in the comments. Which habit were you already doing and which one completely surprised you? I wanna know. See you in the next one.